Hello again. Good evening. Today we meet to talk about yellow sapphires. They are also called Pukhraj and Guru. Guru because it is the Thursday that is also called the Guruvar in Hindi. It happens to be the day of yellow sapphires. So they are also called as Guru. Yellow sapphires, they are vibrantly colored in shades of yellow, light, a little dark. The clearer the piece, again, just like emeralds, the better the quality. And Guru happens to be the most significant among all the Navgras or the 9 gemstones. That's because one of the reasons is the Pukhraj, that is the yellow sapphire. The ruler is the Jupiter. The Jupiter happens to be the heaviest, the most heaviest planet among all the 9 planets. So Jupiter is the ruler of yellow sapphire, and hence the qualities and the significance of Jupiter is flown down to the gemstone, that is the yellow sapphire. It is significantly worn and known for its best qualities. The few of them being it is very good, and it benefits immensely to the wearer in the direction of knowledge, and hence, if teachers, scholars, students who are aiming for PhDs or any such major courses are highly benefited by the Pukhraj. Another good quality of yellow sapphire is that it is very good for, again, marital life. When the girls are about to get married, it is often suggested by the astrologers to wear Pukhraj for a prosperous groom. So that is one of the astrological quality of Pukhraj. Otherwise, it is widely worn generally in jewelry as well for its vibrant colors. So the better the quality, the clearer the piece. So for jewelry purposes, the cabochons are available, the cut stones are available in rounds, ovals and various shapes and sizes. So one can opt for all that and get something designed from them. I have the few very good pieces here. The origin of yellow sapphire is Sri Lanka, Ceylon, Bangkok, Kashmir also in India. So this stone is from Bangkok. As you can see, the vibrant color. This is a Bangkok stone here. You can go through the things. By the time you are having a close look to the stone, let me open the pieces so that you can have a clear view, as I think there would be glare if I am keeping the things closed. It is suggested to wear astrological, if it is you are wearing it, it is suggested that you wear it according to the suggested size, that is the carat, and the shape, whatever shape has been told to you by the astrologer. This again, all these that I am showing you right now, they are all Bangkok pieces. Few other good qualities is that it strengthens Guru, that is the Pukhraj. It helps you immensely by strengthening the ability to handle ambiguous situations. Hence, advocates, lawyers, they all can benefit a lot from this gemstone. It also helps you define goals. And if we talk about, when it is judgment or decision making person, it helps you in judgments as well. So judges also, it's not because but judges also can benefit widely from this gemstone. It is also having healing powers, like it benefits when you have any ailments regarding the kidneys. The ruler I have told you that it is the Jupiter. So Jupiter, we know that it is a very significant planet, it is definitely going to have the significance, and hence that I mentioned earlier, it's the most significant among the other 9 planets. These are Bangkok pieces that I am showing you. I will show you a Ceylon piece. This is a beautiful light color. Ceylon pieces are usually light in color, and this is a very, very good quality piece that you are seeing right now. This also is a Ceylon piece. Sri Lankan yellow sapphires are also very beautiful, and they are here. Yellow sapphires we could get in various price ranges. So the clearer the piece, heavy quality ones, the best ones we could get in as 4,000 to 10,000 a carat. And then the heavier, that is the more the carat, the prices can go high. It all depends on the origin. So whether it is Bangkok, Ceylon, Sri Lanka, these are Sri Lankan, and I have the certificate to show you. The heavy pieces and the lesser quality as in the range wise are all certified at our place. So here you can see that we keep the certificates of all our pieces. All our pieces are certified and ready to be bought. This is a Sri Lankan piece, and since it is a heavy one, we have the GRS lab certificate. That is the Sri Lankan piece. When we talk about jewelry, we can design yellow sapphire jewelry, and it looks very beautiful and vibrant. So I have a few pieces that we have designed from yellow sapphire to show you, so that you have an idea of how beautiful it looks. Here I have a cocktail ring. This has been designed from yellow sapphire and diamonds. It is in 18 karat gold and VVS quality diamonds. So the yellow sapphires that you see here have been handpicked from Sri Lanka, and then the sketches have been made. So it is ideally, you can call this a handcrafted jewelry. It's a designer one. So we would love to create such line of jewelries specifically for you, and we make sure we don't repeat the series for anyone else. This, and there is a pendant in which we've added mother of pearl flowers. If you can see, have a closer look at the piece. Make sure that it is clear. The yellow sapphires, diamonds, and the flowers that you all see are of mother of pearl combined with diamonds. A unique piece specially designed for you. Yellow sapphires can be combined with diamonds. They can be combined with, they look nice when combined with mother of pearl. Another thing, we can combine various sapphires, blue sapphire, yellow sapphire, and we can take maybe rubies and make a special design out of that. But the vibrancy of the yellow, it matches with all this color. So after discussing about yellow sapphire, today being a Thursday, I took up yellow sapphire. But besides yellow sapphire, I also would like to talk about blue sapphires. So ideally, blue sapphires are also called as Shani. They are the gemstones of Saturday. So Saturday, we call it Shani in Hindi, and hence the gemstone is called Shani Nang, and it's called blue sapphires. And Neelam it's also widely called as Neelam. Blue sapphires have got various good qualities. So because of the Saturn is again a very significant planet among the other 9 planets, and hence the significance. It's a powerful Navratna, and again it is very famous for its vibrancy, the blue tinge, the blue tone. It has various shades of blue from light to dark. The clearer the piece, again the better, and the quality, and hence the effect. So if you are wearing it for astrological purposes, the better the quality is, the better is the effect. Blue sapphires I have here to show you. I have some Bangkok pieces here. You can have a look at them. Ovals, they are available in rounds. I have some ovals here. They are all certified pieces. I keep saying certified because you know, it makes it easy for a person to just pick up the stone. You don't have to give it a day or two for the lab to certify the piece. As I told you, it is also called as Shani because of the Saturn. It is very good for fortune and money. People who are into introspection, you know, they are spiritually inclined. For them, this gemstone is very beneficial. They benefit immensely from this gemstone as it helps them go further within, and it immensely benefits the wearer spiritually. It helps in fame and fortune, and we all know this has been highly suggested to various film stars, and film stars are wearing the Shani Nang. Besides that, it belongs again to the it is very good and beneficial. It has the power of Saturn. The Saturn is the ruler, and hence we know that, you know, it also helps us to get rid of all the negative energies. So that is why that is also suggested for people who are often at risk for all kinds of negative energies. Spiritually inclined also get benefited. Fortune, we all need good fortune in life, but besides that, whenever you are planning for any kind of major you know, property work, and your things are getting stuck somewhere, so you can also get it accelerated with the help of Neelam. There is no harm in wearing Neelam. Astrologically, it has been proven that the gemstones, as it is, whenever you are wearing them as for their benefit, for their qualities, they are not having any adverse effects on your body. So we all have got our energy circles that we call as aura. We have a magnetic field around us. Then this is true. So this is science, and it is also proven. So when we all have that magnetic field, so that is why we attract that kind of energies. So the more we take care of the energies, the magnetic field around us, the better magnets we'll be able to become. And that is why when we can take the help of these gemstones to bring our energies to a certain level. So you will attract only what you are. You have to maintain that energy of yourself, and these gemstones really help you in that. We've designed some jewelry. These pieces that you all saw are Bangkok pieces. I've got 2 pieces. They are beautiful and they are from Sri Lanka. You must have a look. I have a drop shaped blue sapphire here. It's Sri Lankan piece. You can see the clarity of it. It's a beautiful piece which is certified. Another piece is here. It's an oval. It is also clear and it is Sri Lankan. We have told you in our the first one, you know, when we spoke about the Navaratnas, that Shani and all the other 9 stones, they can be used as combinations to create jewelry. So that is what we often do. Recently we designed a very heavy bracelet from yellow sapphires and blue sapphires. I don't have that piece right now, so because we've made it for a client, but any such jewelry that keeps being made, I shall definitely go live, especially for those pieces, because those are once in a lifetime pieces. Here I have a blue sapphire bracelet that we have designed with diamonds, and it's in rose gold, as you can see. The blue sapphires are very good quality ones, and the diamonds are VVS quality in 18 karat gold, rose gold, as you can see. We can customize it further. This ring that you see is again a blue sapphire with diamonds. Here, I would love to show you this set. Blue sapphire looks lovely with diamonds and made in white gold. It really stands out. This is a necklace set. Many such jewelries. We love designing with gemstones, and we prefer using the real gems rather than the replicas, especially when just a few, because we consider that the gemstones are an assets, they are an investment. So let me tell you, jewelry is an asset and an investment, we all know. Like in today's time, all the investments you could once give up, but we know that jewelry is there for us in the middle of the night, and for year it gets passed on year after year. So I suggest, why not create something very unique and designer from these gemstones, which is going to be like an heirloom and you could keep passing it over. So gemstones, and hence the colors. We know that the futuristic trends really say that the color is the future. Like now today and tomorrow, we cannot expect that all of us are just going to wear normal diamonds or the regular stereotype jewelry. We all are going to love customization and color. So instead of using the replicas or the other stones, I suggest we use the real gemstones, because that way you could pass this as an asset to your future or anybody in the family. It would be like an investment. So it is always, and that is the reason real is real. So blue sapphires and yellow sapphires. I hope it was quite informative and you really enjoyed the session today. Do give your suggestions in the comments below. Your kind words are more than welcome. We shall meet again tomorrow at 4 p.m. with Hazonites. That is Friday tomorrow. So we'll meet with Hazonites and diamonds. Friday is the day for diamonds, because they are also called as Shukra, and that is the Venus stones. So we'll meet with diamonds, and I'm going to take Hazonites tomorrow. We meet tomorrow sharp at 4. Thank you so much and have a great day.